Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Stella B. Hello, my beautiful friends, my beautiful fans, my beautiful people. Good afternoon. Much love to everybody. You all are welcome back to this channel. You are welcome. So, my people, please, if this is your first time, consider the subscribe button. Smash it very hard. Click on the subscribe button, click like, and please share this video. Please click like on the video, even if you don't like it, but because just click like. God will definitely bless you. Much love to people that that show me love, that encourage me. So thank you all so much. So my people, today's video we wear shokoto. He wear shokoto and agbada. If I hear today's video is really, as in this story one I want to talk about now, sad story. Now really start story of one of our brother when they Africa. Although I still blame her for one side, I not still blame her for one side for waiting be say in reaction. I not still to blame her for one side. Why? Because I don't really know. As this word now as a content day, it don't show her say the word in non-balance. In non-balance. And before the word go fit a balance, it go dey very hard. So may I go straight to the point. This our brother, not to blame her much because he mother he auntie. He buy his auntie. He sent his auntie go Haru Happy. Why he sent the auntie go Haru Happy? He said because his auntie they responsible for his wife miscarriage, and they responsible to his son when be say he died for some years back. He say in his auntie they responsible, so now make it took revenge. Go send by his auntie, just send that poor woman to Haru Happy. So how the story happened? The story happened be say according to the guy, he say na prophet. Now he tell her, say see problem, we have problem they come. Say after I think 10 years of marriage with this man, when they talk somewhere by auntie, say marry a wife now 10 years they now they come manage get one son, and that one son as they just the pikin don't grow small, they that kind 2 years, they don't know the kind illness when the boy just develop become the sick. Before they say me they carry go hospital, say na so the boy take go. And since then when your wife they try to take him, if he take him he go come out. If he take him, now one prophet come tell her say see who they cause your problem, see where your predicament. But then a pretty garment. I'm gonna take the English like that too. Pretty garment. See where your problem they come from. So now cause say so all these years when they struggle, say if friends don't mock him, say he not be man enough, Even some of your uncle don't even tell me drive the woman, make him go marry another one. He love your wife so much. He don't want to drive the woman. At least both of them don't been a lot together. He say get such mind to send a wife packing before I come meet this man of God when tell us in auntie. Now they responsible for the whole misfortune when they happen to them. Instead of this, my brother to put everything for prayer. Now he just took revenge. He just overreact. He can't go greet this auntie for her. As a greater for us, they say when night reach, now he go carry pillow. Can't strangle his auntie. Now so it is send the auntie go Haru Happy, my people. So this thing don't happen, not be once, not be two times. I blame the guy one side. I don't see to blame her. Why? Because all these some prophets, some so-called men of God, if they just prophesy finish, they'll say me you take them. And especially the bad ones of it, they get what they tell they work. Anything when they just come out from their mouth, when they just tell you, they will say take it. And as you don't take them, you must do according to what they talk. If you not do, that person not go get peace. Now truth. So some men of God, we the church go as some we they pray me will not jam those wicked men of God, because if you jam them, your mind not go reach ground. It can't be that saying and then you go to worship, not be God again. And as they don't prophesy for you, now so it be. They will say, take it, you must take it, receive it. Now so they tell this our brother, take it. But the man of God not tell me go overreact to me, go buy this until man of God not tell her. Now it's just for your own mind with the bitterness when he say they in mind. Now you just take go visit the auntie, do the as night reach, now he strangle the woman. So the same when they break, they come to say the woman don't go. So now neighbor has police come. Now neighbor come they talk. Say so person will be say he visit the woman last night. How come the woman not first sick? We see the woman and all that. Now so police come to go hold this our brother. Now there he come for come they confess. say na true na him buy this your auntie. Why you buy your auntie? Say buy your auntie because your auntie na dey responsible for all the misfortune when they happen to am. Na your auntie na dey responsible for serious miscarriages when the wife dey get. Even the holy son wey be say God even bless her with, na this auntie na he take that son life. So for that reason he go pay the woman back. He no know wetin do the woman. I go leave the guy picture for here, my people. So this word e no balance as I fit take talk, but make we dey use sense take dey waka. No be everything wey be say person just tell you, you no even say man, make you just still cool down, chill, pray to God. Maybe if it's really true that now that woman, God will definitely reveal to you. You go know, say, okay, now this woman, and killing her is never the best option. It's prayer. You have to be strong as well, so that you fit defeat her if it is really true. Say, now the woman, now they responsible for waiting to happen to you. And now, the woman children now, they really take the case serious. They say this girl must pay for what they do to their mom. Say their mom not be wish. Say their mom now raised them from infancy to adult, from when they dey small to the stage when they say that they now. Say their mother not be auntie, and they must revenge for their mama. Their mama wait back. Say they go revenge her dead. I beg now use. Sorry. Say they go so they say they go revenge for their mama. So this their uncle when kill their mama. Say they must definitely pay. So waiting, so police don't arrest this my brother. We don't know say anything like that. Government not they use and joke. So this our brother now, they don't arrest and a kiri na day now. So now so he just did here, and this is wife when be saying go fight for Nana. Tell me, my people, for years when be saying won't spend for inside that kiri now, and I don't know whether they could come out see her take come outside, because if it be say they don't even send her go arrow happy, say that one where they hang. If it be say they don't even anger. So I pray years when be say go spend for there. If he come back, he don't turn to hold man. And tell me, the woman will be saying come be saying fight for now. That woman go take to wait for all these years. No, I see go if the woman want to wait maybe 3 years, go see for another man. So make people look, take careful before they overreact. Yeah, not be everything will be say, not be the way but they scratch person that they scratch. And so this our brother, he really to overreact, and now see what he be say he cause for himself now. It's really painful. The woman will be say you go fight for say waiting pastor. Pastor not tell you say may you go send person go harrow happy, may you go buy person. So more would they careful with the prophecy when you say with the ear. More would they very, very careful. So more would they more close to God, not be today close to all these so-called men of God. So the real men of God, they why the fake ones in there. So but we don't know them, but they said by the fruit we shall know them. So thank you guys so much. Please share this video. As you do that, God bless you. Share this video. Nana, I beg, Mona put a like. Mona like this video. I mean, Mona learn from this. What happened to this our brother? Any prophecy be given to you that your mother is a witch, your father is a this, is a that, my dear, put it in prayer. Don't go and comfort that person, because if anything happen, you will go in for a writ. Like the way this our brother Nate enter inside. I beg. Thank you guys so much. Much love. Bye bye.